The color digital images are made of pixels, and pixels are made of combinations of primary colors represented by a series of code. A channel, in this context, is the grayscale image of the same size as a color image, made of just one of these primary colors. For instance, an image from a standard digital camera will have a red, green, and blue channels. A grayscale image has just one channel. Good day everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. This video is a quick explanation of how to create this texture. First, we need to understand how to properly analyze the texture that we want to mimic. There are some areas in blue, other in green, and the image format is PNG. Any color image has three channels: R for red, G for green, and B for blue. Each channel only represents one color of the RGB. The combination of these channels create the color of the image. However, this is no ordinary texture. It has a different image in each channel of the RGB. Some video games engines can utilize these channels to create masks or store multiple images layers in one single image. This technique is used mainly to save space and lower the texture's loading time. For this combo texture that we are going to create in this video, it will be used as specular map for different assets of a road system. Before we move forward, it's worth to mention the following. Images formats, such as bitmap and TGA, can have alpha channel. Images with 4 channels are known as ARGB. Inside the game engine, further color correction or mix nodes inside shaders will process this texture. Now, let's create this mix. This is the initial image that we will edit. Replace its green and blue channels with the corresponding channels from the other images that you want to mix. These are the 3 images that we are going to use in this tutorial. Go to Layers, add Levels, and darken the image to the desired level.